A very warm welcome to one and all. I, Dr. Rajeshri Hirlekar, Professor Pharmaceutics, is presenting details of the Pharmaceutics Department on behalf of our head of the department, Dr. Ganga Srinivasan. As we all know, pharmaceutics is the discipline of pharmacy that deals with the process of turning a new chemical entity or old drugs into a medication used safely and effectively by the patients. The subject, being the heart of the course, is taught across all the years under different surveys. Apart from pharmaceutics course, it also includes physical pharmacy, pharmaceutical engineering, drugstore management, the elective subjects such as novel drug delivery system, cosmeticology, biopharmaceutics and pharmacokinetics, pre-formulation and excipients are also offered. Let me share with you the details of the pharmaceutics department. These are the members of the pharmaceutics department, starting with our respected principal, Dr. Supriya Shide, head of the department, Dr. Ganga Srinivasan, myself, Dr. Rajeshwari Hirlekar, Dr. Swati Mittal, Mrs. Harsha Katwalia. We all are approved guides for pharmaceutics. Our new generation team includes Mrs. Chaitali Surve, Mrs. Bhagyashri Parab, Ms. Prachiti Aire, Dr. Aparna Palshetkar, and Ms. Kshitija Patak. Regarding the details of our departmental colleagues, Dr. Supriya Shidae, our principal, she has got an academic experience of 30 years and she has guided about 36 MPharm students along with PhD students. Her number of publications are 53. She has got grants from various authorities like BIG, DST Sub, UCLAN, University of Mumbai, and AICT. So her total grants counts to about 92 lakhs. She is also working with the industrial projects and she has completed successfully the projects by CEPIC, IMAMI, and Merck. Her thrust areas of interest are gastroretentive drug delivery systems, orally disintegrating systems, microemulsions, SNAIDs, SLNs, and nanostructured lipid carriers. Dr. Ganga Srinivasan, Professor Pharmaceutics, is the head of our department. She has an experience of about 27 years and she has guided 40 MPharm students and 5 PhDs. Number of publications are 38 and she has received grants up to 1 lakh till date. Her thrust areas of interest are formulation development of conventional and novel drug delivery systems with respect to oral delivery, implants, buccal, and transdermal drug delivery. Myself, Professor Pharmaceutics, and I'm also heading Quality Assurance Department. I have guided about 44 students for MPharm and I've got an experience of about 27 years. And I have got to my credit about 40 publications and I have received the grants from University of Mumbai, AICTE and Department of Biotechnology worth rupees 41 lakhs. And my areas of research are solubilization, cyclodextrin complexation, floating drug delivery systems, topical drug delivery systems, and lipid-based drug delivery system. Dr. Swati Mittal, she is having experience of 10 years and she has guided about 30 students for MPharm, and to her credit, she has got about 75,000 grant from the various industries as well as about 1 lakh grant from the university minor research grant. Her thrust areas of the research are modified drug delivery systems, solubility enhancements, transdermal and transmucosal drug delivery systems, gastroretentive drug delivery systems, and oral drug delivery systems. Mrs. Harsha Katwalia, she has experience of about 11 years and she has got a good experience of industry about 9.5 years, and her number of students admitted guided is about 26, and she has received grants from University of Mumbai of about total 1,35,000, and she has successfully completed industrial projects from Gangwal Chemicals, uh, IBAMI and IMCD worth 4.5 lakhs, and her thrust areas of research are nanosuspensions, solid lipid nanoparticles, microemulsions, liposomes, film forming agents, sustained release matrix tablets, mouth dissolving tablets, and anhydrous suspensions. Our newly joined faculty, Dr. Aparna Palshetkar, she has about 5 years of academic experience and 1 year of industrial experience, and her thrust areas of interest are nanoparticles of albumin, nanostructure, lipid carriers, nanoemulsions, nanosuspension, conventional gels, transdermal films, dental films, and herbal drug development. This is our young squad of pharmaceutics department, Mrs. Chaitali Surve. She has got a grant of about 34 lakhs and also has got some industry consultancy projects of about 2.7 lakhs, as well as University of Mumbai grants of about 75,000. Miss Bhagyashri Parab, she also has received a grant from SERV worth 36 lakhs and some industry grants from Merck and IMCD. Then Miss Prachiti Aire, she is also a part of the pharmaceutics department, and she has got an industry grant of about 1.9 lakh. The newly joined faculty, Ms. Kshitija Phatak, she is working in the pharmaceutics department, and she is our own alumni. Regarding the facilities and equipments in our department, we have got facilities for solid oral formulations and liquid oral formulations. So, got a dedicated area for development of these formulations. We have got a, well-equipped class 100 area, which is dedicated for the development of sterile dosage forms like parenterals, and we have got the uh, facility for working in the various nano formulations. So the equipments for solid oral formulations include granulator, double cone blender, then rotary compression machine, coating pan, then multi-purpose equipment from Calveca, fluidized bed processor, ball mill, then lab conical mill, then spray dryer, and then cooling incubators. Then apart from that, simple equipments like balances, sieve shaker, friability tester, hardness tester, disintegration tester, dissolution tester, stability cabinets. These are also part of the pharmaceutics department. You can see certain facilities in our pilot plant: fluidized bed processor, extruder spironizer, then compression machine, pan coater, double cone blender, ball mill, spiral mixer, two station, bathless tablet dissolution apparatus, then donated a co-mill by Ganson. The facilities for liquid oral includes a bottle sealing machine, then manual bottle filling machine, semi-solid filling machine for formulations like ointments, then bottle washing machine. For sterile dosage form, we have got a semi-automatic ampule sealing machine, autoclave, and a very well designed class 100 area. Then you've got ampoule washing machines. For nano formulations, the various equipments required are propsonicator, lyophilizer, deep freezer. So we are well equipped with that. And for evaluation of nanoparticles, we are well equipped with the particle size analyzer from Malvern. The additional facilities required like diffusional cell assembly for transdermal drug deliveries, orbital shaker pass, centrifuge, ultra-thorax, Brookfield viscometer, ultrasonicator, then gel electrophoresis, microcentrifuge, respinometer. These are the additional equipments available with our department. We regularly conduct various activities. To just share one of the among the few, this is the workshop which was conducted on the coating technology. We train our students at our place. At the same time, we offer some executive development program for training of the people from the industry. In this series, pharmaceutics department has conducted executive development program with a short-term training in the basics and applications of pharmacokinetics in the drug development. This was 6 months program run for the industry, and program coordinators were Dr. Ganga Srinivasan and Dr. Swati Mittal. We also started with a new uh, undertaking, that is an annual lecture series started by Department of Pharmaceutics by Dr. Ganga. So in this series, we have completed 3 sessions. Next week itself, we'll be having the 4th session. Dr. Srivastav, Dr. Padma, Dr. Pariza, these were the speakers for our earlier sessions. These are the companies where our students are placed: Microlabs, Cipla, IPCA, Quintiles, Neon, Rubicon, Cognizant, Unichem, Lubrizol, Perigo, Bliss GVS, Tata Consultancy, Panacea, Wipro. So these are the places at where our BPharm and MPharm students are placed. Okay. So that is regarding the details of our pharmaceutics department, and I wish all the best, and I wish to enjoy your uh, journey in our VS College of Pharmacy, both BPharm students and the MPharm students. Thank you very much for your patient listening.